In this brief and final module in our complete video course, we saw how to get registered for the T-Sheet exam. Then we discussed some study strategies and we saw how we could confidently walk into the exam environment prepared to do our absolute best on the T-Sheet exam. And I want to wrap up this complete video course by giving you a personal thank you for entrusting me with your time and with your confidence. And I know for many of you, passing the T-Sheet exam, it's your final step in earning your CCNP in routing and switching. Once you do reach that milestone, I hope you'll reach out to me through one of my social media outlets so that I can celebrate your success with you. Take good care.